Welcome. Towing a Tesla requires specific knowledge to avoid damaging its electric systems and battery. This video covers safe towing practices for Model 3, Y, S, and X, based on Tesla's guidelines as of December 2025. Improper towing can lead to costly repairs or safety hazards, so it's crucial to follow these instructions carefully. Always prioritize flatbed towing. Flatbed towing is the preferred method for all Tesla models. It involves lifting the entire vehicle onto a flat platform, keeping all wheels off the ground. This prevents electrical shorts and avoids activating the regenerative braking system, especially crucial for Model 3 and Y. It's the safest way to transport your Tesla, minimizing stress on the battery and electrical components. Neglecting this advice risks serious damage. Wheel lift towing serves as an emergency alternative, permitted only for Model S and Model X vehicles due to their higher ground clearance. This method involves the tow truck lifting either the front or rear wheels, while leaving the others on the ground. However, this towing method carries significant risks, including battery overheating from increased drag and potential electrical issues caused by unintended currents in the system. If wheel lift towing must be used in an emergency, follow these critical guidelines. Maintain speeds below 30 miles per hour, avoid steep grades that would increase resistance, and continuously monitor the vehicle's warning lights for any issues. Importantly, never use wheel lift towing for Model 3 or Model Y vehicles, as their lower ground clearance puts them at risk of damaging the low-voltage harness and other critical electrical components. Tesla models have different ground clearances and suspension features that affect towing safety. Model S and Model X offer higher clearance and air suspension, while Model 3 and Model Y require extra care. Ground clearance varies by model. Model S and Model X have about 6.8 inches of clearance, compared to 5.5 inches for Model 3 and Model Y. This lower clearance makes Model 3 and Model Y more vulnerable to underbody damage. Model S and Model X feature air suspension that can be raised to increase clearance before towing. This helps prevent scraping during transport. Model 3 and Model Y do not have this adjustable suspension. Always inform your towing service about your Tesla model to ensure they take appropriate precautions, such as using soft slings and avoiding contact with the underbody. Real-world towing incidents provide valuable lessons about Tesla safety protocols. Let's examine 3 specific cases that highlight both the risks of improper towing and the success of following guidelines. First, consider the 2024 Model 3 fire incident. A vehicle owner attempted wheel lift towing during an emergency, but the low ground clearance caused wheel rotation to activate the electric motor, leading to overheating and battery fire. The car was totaled with damages over $50,000, showing why flatbed towing is essential for Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. In contrast, a successful case involved a Model X towed over 200 miles using wheel lift method. By pre-charging the battery to 50%, keeping speeds below 30 miles per hour, and avoiding steep grades, only minor electrical issues occurred. These were fully covered under Tesla's warranty and resolved quickly. Another positive example occurred during extreme conditions when a Model S was flatbed towed from a flooded area. The vehicle's high ground clearance and proper securing by professionals prevented any damage, demonstrating the effectiveness of correct towing procedures. These cases clearly show that adhering to Tesla's towing protocols is crucial for safety and to avoid expensive incidents. Proper preparation and professional assistance can prevent disasters. The EV towing industry is rapidly evolving as electric vehicles become more common. More towing services are becoming EV certified, with 40% of U.S. services meeting these standards by 2025. This ensures proper handling of Tesla vehicles and other EVs. Tesla's software updates now allow vehicles to communicate with tow trucks via Bluetooth, providing real-time data on battery status and system health. This helps prevent towing-related issues. Expect greater integration with telematics systems, which track vehicle and driver data in real time. Insurance policies are also shifting to include specific EV towing clauses, reflecting growing liability concerns. Looking ahead, autonomous towing solutions are on the horizon, including AI-matched services and potentially towing drones. These innovations aim to reduce human error and improve efficiency. Always stay informed about the latest advancements in EV towing to ensure safe and efficient transport of your Tesla. In conclusion, always prioritize flatbed towing for your Tesla to protect its electric systems and battery. If wheel lift towing is unavoidable for Model S or X in emergencies, strictly adhere to Tesla's guidelines. Access the official owner's manual through your vehicle's touchscreen or Tesla's website for the latest instructions. When uncertain, reach out to a certified Tesla service center or a towing company experienced with electric vehicles. Following these steps ensures the safety, longevity, and warranty protection of your Tesla.